As a small YouTuber, if you want to get seen on YouTube, it's all about search. That's what we talk about today, how to optimize your YouTube videos. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now search engine optimization is what drives the internet, and search engine optimization is what fuels the YouTube algorithm. Back in the day, for you to get your website seen on search engines, you needed good descriptions, good titles, good tags, fantastic content, and sharing it out into locations. Now YouTube is owned by Google, so all you have to do is backward engineer that to make sure that your videos rank in search engines like the YouTube search. Now, before I deep dive into the basics of video search engine optimization, I want to know, do you do anything to optimize your videos? Do you master the art of search engine optimization? Do you find a specific keyword to write around it? Or do you kind of just title it and throw it up and hope that it gets seen? Please leave a comment down below. Now, it's a skill that all small YouTubers must understand and master to get seen in search. As a small YouTuber, you don't have the audience base and you don't have the subscriber count to initially push you just straight out the algorithm through views. So what you need to do is attract people in via your search terms, and then they search for a question or they search for your area and your category of video, and they find you. And the only way you can do that is by search engine optimization. And the first place to start is your title. The best way to write a video title is think of a keyword that your video happens to be about. Now, I personally write down the title of a video in a little notepad, and then I try and wangle my way into a keyword. In this case, the keyword that I'll probably be aiming for is optimize your YouTube video, or optimize YouTube videos. I then write a title around that, and then I film the video with that keyword in mind, even saying it 2 or 3 times, maybe at the start of the video, or definitely throughout the video so it's included within the transcriptions. And then you put that keyword as close to the front of the title as you possibly can. The reason for this is that keyword is then associated as more important to the YouTube search algorithm, and when they search for that keyword, optimize your YouTube video, then it's then seen more relevant to that video, more relevant to the search, and more relevant to the results that it will try to calculate. And then you back it up with number 2, your description. Now, I make sure that I echo my title, which has my keyword right at the start of it, or as close as I can to the start. I make sure that I echo that in the top of my video description. The reason for this is, once again, if you're searching for that specific keyword, optimize your YouTube video, then YouTube has a look at not only your title, but the first 150 to 200 characters at the start of your video description, the first 2 to 3 lines in kind of layman terms. So if those keywords, or a vague, similar, related arrangement of those keywords are in the top 2 or 3 lines of your video, then in search you'll see that it can become highlighted in the search results when hunting for it, which helps where you rank in that specific keyword search on that specific search results page, because it's deemed as more relevant, and search results pages are solely, initially by default, set up for relevance. The description also needs to be top loaded, so make sure that you've got all your information at the top. Make sure you've got a decent sized description. I suggest at least 1 paragraph, maybe 2. The longer, the better. Remix the keyword into the description. So in my case, I'd be writing about how to optimize your YouTube videos, how to optimize videos on YouTube, how to do search engine optimization on video, how to do video search engine optimization. Now, don't just write all of those keywords back to back to back. Write it into a readable sentence for a human being. Make sure that it explains that, most small YouTubers are looking at how to optimize their YouTube video. YouTube optimization is a very important thing, blah, 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 blah. See what I'm doing? I'm writing a story, but weaving in the keywords. That's what you need to do, and it doesn't necessarily have to be optimization. It could be about gaming, it could be about the model, it could be about the makeup. The more related keywords and the use of the keywords in the title, the higher relevancy rank that you will get. And 3, tags. Now, your tags should echo the most important keyword that you've already placed in your title right at the start, that you've then echoed in the description. Try and remix those tags, and as I've mentioned before, those tags should be some form of long word key phrase. Don't just go for video or YouTube, try and go for the longer words, like to optimize your YouTube video, because it's easier to rank for the longer form than it is just a shorter term. If you want more in-depth rules on how to tag your videos, there's a video up here on the 3 levels of YouTube tag. But also, your tags should relate and bounce off each other. So therefore, make sure that you're remixing that specific keyword like you have been in the description. This is where all of those key phrases that I told you not to stuff back to back to back, you can stuff back to back to back in the tags, because that's what the tags are for. And now it's a whole cohesive kind of look, and you make sure that you're adding a thumbnail that relates to what you're doing. In my case, I always put my face here, and over here I've got some really big words that you can't miss on the thumbnail. It all ties in, and there you go, a nice packaged, and it's optimized, and it gives you a better chance of being pushed. But I also suggest, to help you master the art of keyword tagging, your title, your description, and your tags, and to help suggest keywords for you, why not check out TubeBuddy? It's a free plugin. Go to alanspicer.com/TubeBuddy. Use the code ALANSBuddy if you want to upgrade to a paid version. I personally use the Star and Legend versions. They're fairly cost effective, and they have fantastic features like A/B thumbnail testings. You can auto publish to Facebook, it will share out there, even do your transcriptions, translations and stuff like that for you, right? Those kind of things are key in taking it to the next level. Otherwise, TubeBuddy is completely free to install, even for the basic level, for the keyword suggestions and the tags. But that's the basics of video search engine optimization and how you should optimize your video. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your channel, it's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time my video goes live immediately. Go out there, start creating.